Hey English learner! Want to understand native speakers better? Then you need to know how they talk about money. Today, I'll teach you super common money expressions that'll make your English sound natural and fluent. Gold digger. Someone who dates just for money. She's not dating for love, she's a gold digger. Watch out. She's after his money, not his jokes. Dating for dollars, not butterflies. Deep pockets. Someone very rich or financially powerful. Only people with deep pockets can buy these tickets. That company has deep pockets. They own 3 football teams. That's not a wallet, that's a treasure chest. Money is no object. Price doesn't matter at all. Money is no object. Get the most expensive wine. If money is no object, I'd live in a castle. Dream big, wallet first. Hush money. Money paid to keep someone quiet. The celebrity paid hush money to keep the story quiet. He offered hush money to avoid trouble. It's like saying, "Shuh, forget this ever happened." To rat someone out. To tell on someone or snitch. He ratted out his friend during the investigation. She ratted me out for skipping class. Not a rat, but definitely snitching. Money down the drain. Money wasted on useless things. That broken blender. Money down the drain. All that gambling. Just money down the drain. If your money had legs, it just ran away. Money to burn/blow. Extra money used for luxury spending. She's got money to burn, bought another luxury bag. He has money to blow. He travels every weekend. More cash than common sense. Marry money. Marry a rich person for status. She married money and never had to work again. He married into money. Now he lives in a mansion. Till bank account do us part. Money doesn't grow on trees. A reminder that money is limited. Turn off the lights. Money doesn't grow on trees. We can't go to Disney again. Money doesn't grow on trees. Parents' favorite catchphrase. Hard-earned money. Money gained through effort and hard work. That's my hard-earned money, don't waste it. I worked overtime for this hard-earned money. Sweat, effort, and maybe a little coffee. Make good money. Earn a decent or high salary. She makes good money as a nurse. My brother makes good money fixing phones. Not a millionaire, but not complaining either. To bring in money. Earn or generate money consistently. My part-time job brings in $800 a month. That bakery brings in a lot of profit. Now that's bringing home the bacon. The best money can buy. Top quality, most expensive option available. This is the best camera money can buy. He bought the best suit money could buy for his wedding. New money. Recently acquired wealth, flashy style. He hit it big, classic new money behavior. She's all about designer brands. Total new money. Old money. Inherited wealth, quiet and classy. She comes from old money, very elegant lifestyle. Unlike new money, old money avoids showing off. High net worth. A person with lots of financial assets. He's a high net worth individual, owns multiple properties. This service is for high net worth clients only. To pay someone off. Bribe someone to gain favor or silence. They paid off the inspector to ignore the violations. The company tried to pay her off to stay silent. Your turn. Let's play. All right. Time for a mini challenge. Let's see what you remember. Comment your answers below. What expression means wasting money? A. Deep pockets. B. Money down the drain. C. Make good money. If someone gives you money to stay quiet. That's A. Money doesn't grow on trees. B. Hush money. C. Marry money. What do you call someone who dates only for money? A. Gold digger. B. Hard-earned money. C. Rat out. Awesome work! If you learned something new today, hit that like button, drop your answers in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and useful English lessons. You're doing amazing. Keep going.